You know, all the times that I've done the White Rim Trail, I've never taken the 6 mile detour up Taylor Canyon to the Moses and Zeus monuments or monoliths or whatever they are. So I figure this time is the time. So it's 12 miles round trip. Let's head on out. Okay, I'm going to try a different format for video on this trip, or at least on this trail. I left my 3 spare GoPro batteries on my desktop, and I only got a short cable, so I'm not going to mount it up there on the mirror like I normally do and just drive down the road and let you watch the left side of my truck. I think there's enough footage on YouTube already of people driving their FJs on 2-wheel drive roads. So I'm going to stop frequently and put the camera out and panoramic around and let you see all the beauty of everything that I see out here. Hopefully you'll like this better. Okay, another thing you're not going to see me do on this trip, and you rarely see me do it much anyways, is get out of the FJ, walk up a couple 100 feet, set up a tripod, frame the camera, just so you can watch the FJ come toward the camera. That, I gotta admit, is really good footage, but it is really hard work. And remember, I'm retired. I'm not working anymore. I'm on Easy Street right now and for the next 35 years. So, have at it, y'all. Alright, so I'm still on Taylor Canyon Road, 6 miles in. I think I'm probably only about 1.5 miles. It's kind of slow going. This is a real 4-wheel drive road, although you don't need 4-wheel drive. This road is not maintained and graded with the frequency or at all that the White Rim is done. But as you can see, there's not going to be any shade for me for hours. Now I'm thinking, man, having one of those little awnings to pull out there, but I'm not stopping here. But yeah, one of those might be used at this time of the year on trips like this. Tell me, what could be better than a Sunday drive down Taylor Canyon Road? I'm pretty sure those little, what they call them, monoliths. I think that's Moses and Zeus. One kind of looks like a Moses. His head kind of hunched back over like he's old. We'll get up there a little bit closer. I see a porta potty up there too. But yeah, we're 102 degrees and just enjoying our time, listening to some Tom Petty, bluesy rock and roll on the radio. According to the GPS, the road goes up that way about another 1.25 inches on the GPS. So we're going to go find the end of the road and have lunch. Those monoliths must be Moses and Zeus. You want to walk up there in 103-degree temperature at 1 in the afternoon, go right ahead. I can see from here. I'm going to take some pictures with my still camera. Okay, unfortunately for me, Marco's not with me, so we're not having carne asada, con queso, burrito, enchiladas. We're having a chocolate brownie power bar and a diet soda. Okay, I gotta be honest with you. At lunch sucked. I can guarantee you that that chocolate chip protein bar is going to look the exact same thing when it exits. But I want to get up on top of that little rock thing there with my still camera to shoot out over there at Moses and Zeus. And you see this all over the place? This is what's called Mormon grass. It's a very skinny, thin, pencily cactus succulent. Obviously it's very drought resistant because there's a bunch of it up here. It's a lot like what we had in Texas, the pencil cactus, except that's really thin. Okay, so you want to get a feel for what this natural soil is like. It's very soft, sandy, spongy. So, I mean, you can see how much my foot, just in flip-flops, is sinking down into this when I step. Imagine what this is like when it gets wet with like a quarter of an inch or half inch of rain. You're gonna get stuck in this driving, walking, doing anything. Man, if you're looking for theme parks, crowded sports events, concerts, crowds, this is not the place for you.